He founded Apple in 1975 along with a boyhood friend Steven Wozniak in the garage of his home. Budgeted by the success of the Apple II, Jobs gained a high public profile. With cover of Time in 1918, he had 26 years and I was a millionaire. By the successful flotation of the company later last year. The 18th marked the entry of strong competitors in the personal computer market, which led to the first business difficulties. His reaction was to the innovative or rated to implement in early 1984. His company launched the Macintosh 128Q, which was the first personal computer to be marketed as a file wearing a graphical user. And after having problems with the leadership of the company he founded, was fired from Apple Computer. In 1985, Jobs sold his shares than all except one. That same year, he received the National Medal of Technology by President Ronald Reagan. 19th became a subsidiary of Tiger Lucasfilm at Pixar, which revolutionized the animation industry with the release of Toy Story. The integration of this company to Disney, which was a provider, would make Jobs the largest individual shareholder in the entertainment giant.
In the year of his death, his fortune was valued at $8,300 million, 20, and ranked 110 in the list of great wealth of Forbes magazine. In his second stint at Apple, also changed the business model of the music industry, approved the launch of the iPod in 2001 and in 2003 the online music store iTunes, which in 7 years sold more than 10,000 million of songs and completely dominated the online music business at price of $0.99 per song. Discography 21 already in 2009 he could grab 25% of music sales in the United States and the largest music store sales volume in history. According to the patent of the United States, Steve died at his home in California at about 3 p.m. on October 5, 2011 at 56 years as a result of respiratory failure resulting from metastatic pancreatic cancer.